you have to go to here, the hostinger.com, and click on the login. And once here, I am logging here, then here you will see your hosting plans. Maybe you have purchased a single or the premium or whatever the business plan. But I have purchased here the 3 plans. But I'm going to show you that how you can create these subdomains, whatever the plan you have purchased. So suppose I'm just going to go to the create a subdomain with this premium web hosting. So I will click onto the manage. Okay, so here on the top, you can select, if you have the one domain, you just have to, you can select whatever the domain you want to create for the subdomain. So here I have the hoopsicon.com, but I want to create a subdomain on my another domain name. It's the Rajasain. So I'm going to select the rajasain.com. But if you have only one domain, then you just have to keep this one and you can create a subdomain. But I'm going to select this second, my domain name. So this is the domain name, and I just want to create my subdomain. So I have selected here the rajasain.com, and now I just want to create the subdomain for this domain. So what I have to do, I have to just scroll down a little bit more here, and here you will see the option domains. So click on this, and here it says subdomain. So click on over there, and now here you can see, you will see here on the right side, you will see your domain name, and here we're going to create the subdomain. So I am creating the subdomain. I'm going to name the tutorial. Okay, so what I have to do here, I'm just going to click on the custom folder to right here, and maybe I just want to give it the name like this, because I just want to create a separate folder for this one. So I'm just going to say Raja tutorial. Okay, you just can click on this, use the public directory, or maybe no, not like that, I think. But you can use that one, no worries. But whatever you're going to select is perfect. If you're going to select this one, yeah. If not, that's totally fine. It's just custom folder for the subdomain, so we can create that, I think. But I think here again, if we give the name, that's perfect. But yeah, that's it, I think so. But click what I have to say, just click on this one, the subdomain. So it's going to create like that. So just click on to create. So now it has already created a subdomain. So here you can see we're going to have the subdomain, and this is the directory. Okay, so how we can install the WordPress on that? It's so simple to do, to install the WordPress on your subdomain. What you have to do, just scroll a little bit up on here, you will see the WordPress. So click on this one, and you just have to click on this one, the WordPress, I think. Yep. Click again. I think so. No, not on the WordPress. Here you have to scroll down here, and you have to click onto the auto installer here. And now we're going to select the WordPress here. Click this, and now it's going to ask the website title. So let me write here my administrator name, just like the here administrator email. And on the top, maybe I just want to give the I just want to remove this username also. On the top, I just want to give the website title, maybe like the website Rajasain website tutorial, but you can change anytime. So here I'm just going to give the email address. So maybe I just want to say Rajasain 012 and at gmail.com, like this. And here you have to give the username. So I'm just copy this and entering this username, and here you have to enter the password. So let me create the password here. Okay, so once password is created, then you have to click on the advanced here. You will see the option advanced, and then just be careful from here, because if you're going to install the WordPress on this Raja Sain, so it will be override on your the actual domain. So what you have to do, you have to be careful here. So you have to select the subdomain here. Okay, the parents domain is rajasain.com. So if you're going to install WordPress on it, so it will overwrite, and it's going to be the big trouble when you're going to have a website, and again you install the new fresh WordPress website, then the old one will be deleted. So here you have to be very careful. So here we have to select the subdomain tutorial.rajasain.com, and once it's done, just scroll down and click on next. And here we says always update the minor versions, and click on install. And now you will see that it is going to create for us the WordPress website with our subdomain. So here we go. Now you can see, let me show you. If I scroll down here, and I'm just going to click on the admin panel, so I will be redirect to my dashboard on the WordPress. Here you can see I have selected tutorial.rajasain.com, and then if I click onto the admin panel, so now you can see it will redirect us to WordPress dashboard, and we can start building our staging website on our subdomain. Maybe it's going to take some time. So, when you're going to install the first time WordPress on your subdomain, it's going to take some hours maybe. So let's try that. We go with this one, tutorial.rajasain.com, and then let's see. Yeah, definitely, as I said, it's going to take some time. So let's see. Again, let me go back and let me refresh, because when we're going to set up the first time the WordPress install on the domain, it's going to take maybe sometimes a few hours, sometimes instantly, sometimes it's going to take the few minutes or a few seconds. So let me to update info. So let's see if we can get in. Otherwise, we have to wait for the few hours. And then again, I'm just going to click on to maybe I just want to say skip this content, and I'm just going to click on admin panel. Let's see if it works. And now it will redirect us to our WordPress dashboard. Here on the top, you can see we have the subdomain tutorial.rajasain.com, and now we have successfully installed the WordPress on our subdomain. But if you see an error while you're just going to click onto the admin panel, and if you see here any error, then you just have to wait for the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes, and then come back again and try to click on the admin panel. So it takes some time to update the server. Sometimes you get the instantly website working, but sometimes it's going to take maybe 15 minutes or the 1 hour, and then you come back again to retry, and then definitely it will work in some case if you see sort of a kind of the error. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in another tutorial. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, so when I am going to upload a new video, you're going to get the notification. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.